Frap. Para hindi siya mamatay sa unang stage.
Sige.
Yung man mamamatay si Power sa taas eh. Kay Makoy ka na lang siguro magagawa.
Mark Schultz, guys.
Sige.
Ay, may bago na pala akong ano, yung pampataas ng ano. Guardian, pre.
Wait, I thought you were calling Jin.
Oh, I was calling? What the fuck? Okay,
Yeah.
fight. Bin 2. Look at bin 2, guys. Look at bin 2. We're fighting this. We're keeping up to deep 112.
Dikit ka lang sa akin ha, Makoy.
Eh, dikit pa rin tayo.
Hindi ako. Hindi yung tornado ko.
Pin 5 daw.
Fighting at pin 5 side, around pin 1, try to capture the cap team, try to capture, stabilize. Now around pin 1, stabilize na around pin 1, they're at pin 2, stabilize at pin 1, and coming back to pin 5.
Circle ako kay Frap.
Sorry.
Sige, dikit tayo.
Just continue to fight,
Pwede mong i-hug yung moonstone para hindi ka mapalipad.
Coming back. If you're alive still, try to stabilize at pin 1 and try not to fight.
Tayo ako.
Let's try to stabilize this for a bit. I'm coming back. Are they pushing us?
Wala ako nakapag-record.
Alright, if you're still alive,
Buti
just
nag-mention
fight
ka.
at pin 2 and then we're gonna RG.
Kalimutan ko rin.
Fight and die. Try to take what you do. Don't die in the SCP, don't drop.
Stay tayo sa...
Nobody's dropping it. If you already drop, just go die fast.
Tayo dito? Sa 10?
Oh, 10 lang. 10 tayo.
Maglalaglag ako ng ano.
And then we're staying at
Find what you seek through the grace of godly
Pag
blessing.
namatay na wala mana regen potion ah. Reset nyo na lang.
Wala, nag-heal ni Solti.
around 7 more seconds to RG and
Can we do 15 seconds? People still coming back.
Alright, 10 more seconds.
Healing touch ako kay Makoy.
Nobody should go down.
Unahin natin si Frap ha. Huwag tayong sumabay kay Frap.
What we're gonna do is,
One pigeon ako dun
on
sa
my call, we're gonna
right.
drop down and we're gonna fight
Easy.
this pin 3 side, okay? Pin 3 side. Don't worry about
So,
it.
sa may left part tayo.
We're gonna collapse on this pin 3 side, play with your party. Alright, last 5 seconds. And you should have your remedies up. We will go fight with remedy 5.
Remedy ah.
So 1 tanks, tanks, fly. Everyone else fly now. And we're dropping.
Pin 3, left part.
Full drop.
Kaya dito kay sabi ni ano.
Remedies up and we're fighting up. Try to make sure you're running well. Wipe them out. Okay, very good. Continue fighting.
Drop ako ng pulsa sa'yo.
Now fight at pin 2. Look at pin 2 side. We're collapsing on pin 2 side. Don't fight at pin 5 side. Fight at pin 2 side. We need to reinforce the pin 2 side. Pin 2. Push in, boys. Let's go. Fuck them up.
Oh,
Very good. If you're dead,
Kay Frap oh. Pa-super si Frap.
immediately come back.
Patay ka rin bro.
Come back immediately and fight.
Patay pa ako ah.
Did we get wiped? Died?
May wiped.
Wipe tayo, wipe.
Oh, fuck.
Nakaslumber tayo.
Oo.
I can see the
Marami ba? Marami wala sa atin.
56 na.
Parang ano lang tayo eh.
to fight at the Christian side.
57. Pero umangat na yung numbers natin eh. Kahapon ano lang tayo, di ba?
Okay, again, fast
54?
50? Oo.
This time to test out what works. Now we're going at pin 8 side. Guys. And now we are
Pin 8 sa may
slow
hit
dropping,
yan, ah.
okay? We're slow dropping so we can go at the far end. So we're not gonna fight this left side.
Sa kanan yung pinit ah. Sa time. Good drop
pin
lang.
3. We're fighting.
Maglagay mo na ako ng pulse sa seg natin.
So let's wait for the people. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heal up. Make sure all your parties are up. And we're going in. Don't buff up yet. In 3, 2, 1. Fly now.
Wala pa si Frap?
Right side.
Tayo natin sa Frap.
Pin 4 and pin
Nasa
5.
likod si Frap.
Jumping in 3, 2, 1, full drop, and then defensive up, and then we're
Tara, tara.
we're wiping this party, defensive up,
Tara, tara.
bastions and
Dikit lang sa walls,
Dikit
dikit
sa
lang sa
pader.
walls.
Dikit sa pader.
fighting them out. Clear them up, clear them up, clear them up, clear them up. We should be safe, guys.
Circle ako kay Prop.
Up there.
Ah, dito rin ako.
Right, fight, pin.
Sige.
Fighting at now, fighting at now.
Place ako yung power collar.
More bodies, two.
Cleanse kita bro.
Still alive, not
Heal.
guilty, and we're trying to go with this thing. We're trying to go with this out, and just
Zombie down. Tuloy-tuloy lang.
Continue fighting, continue fighting, continue fighting, continue fighting.
Inay.
Continue fighting.
Anim yata yung tumira sa akin.
If we're gonna get full wipe again,
Pray to Einar that you do not lose your way in the dark.
Test.
to a non-flying Okay.
Lalakad tayo,
Go to pin
side.
10, go to pin 10, and we're trying
Pin 10
a
ulit.
different approach. We cannot win this if we're flying because they're gonna hit us. Looking for
Ngayon nga,
another route.
pipray tayo, pababa pa lang.
Walk it. Cannot see. Can anyone suggest if you know another route from here? Pin 8, like a walking route. A walking route.
Execute eh.
Because if we're gonna continue to do the flying thing, they're gonna hit us from above. That's what's happening. Is there no other way? Alright.
Doon tayo sa ano?
No,
Sa
man,
may
it's flying
right
only.
side.
It's yeah, it's flying only.
Alright, okay. What
Unless
we're gonna do
you
is
get
we're
off the
naglag
top
ako,
and
pre.
go back.
Copy. We're gonna capitalize on
Oh, yun.
the stone. So we're gonna do the guardian push and remedy push for last minute. We're gonna time it well so they don't have their CC since we cannot win the first push. So what we're gonna do is around 3 or 4 minutes we're gonna pull stone and double stones and then guardian push. Then we're gonna try to win from there. It's 13 minutes, so let's try more strats, okay? Okay.
Di
this
ko
time,
maabot si
let's
ano,
try
si
to
Cutie, ah.
fucking,
Bro, why are you guys going in? Why are you guys dying?
Yeah,
Get
don't
out of
die,
the
don't die
fucking
yet, guys. Don't
combat
go in,
zone, guys.
Don't go in yet, don't go in yet, guys. The strat is not working, the frontal push is not working. It's still 12 minutes, let's see. Alright, let's try to do pin 9. Okay, let's try to do pin 9, guys.
Pin 9 sa may upper left.
3, 2, 1, jumping now at pin 9, jumping now at pin 9.
Early.
Drop now and fight,
Mas wave ako para
Drop
hindi
now and
tayo
fight.
mamatay.
Use up the resources,
Ayun na.
But this time, don't use big skills, don't use big skills, let's try this out.
Flash wave kay Frap.
Let them go down, first. RT fast, if you're dead already, RT fast.
Na-burst ako dun.
Go immediately. If you're still there, let them use their cooldown. If you're dead, pin 10. I'm gonna give you 15 seconds to come back at pin 10. 40, 30.
Buhay pa tayo. Buhay pa kami ng
Come
club.
out and try to make them use their cooldowns, okay? 15 seconds again. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Tara, tara.
1. Oh my god, there's only 2 people here at the...
Okay, nakadikit ako kay Flap.
Okay, people at
Pabalik kami,
Dito kami sa pin 3 ni Flap.
Ah. Ang dami niyan.
Let them use their cooldowns,
Healing circle. Cleansing ako kay Prop.
Okay.
The frontal push is not working, so let's try to
Kinain ko yun.
do some shenanigans. Right?
Patay.
You need to listen guys, because if you're gonna just fight, we're gonna lose. We know we're losing the frontal fight, so we need to have some sort of strategy.
Di mo lang tayo nakaano,
You
no?
need to listen well. Again, let's try to capitalize on their cooldowns. We will bait their cooldowns up.
Di tayo
Ang pwesto na
nakahawak.
kasi sila eh.
Fight them like that. Alright. Let's go RT again at pin 10. RT again at pin 10. We're gonna do something else this time. Alright, what we're
Ganda,
gonna
yeah.
do this time is only the tanks will drop. And then we delay 5 seconds with the DPS.
Circle ako.
Try that.
Okay.
Try that. Try to survive as much as you can tanks so you can get their level still when you come down.
Okay.
Okay?
Paano mag-stack kayo
Let's
eh,
have
bago
5 more
bumaba?
seconds. 5. Fuck, so many people still low. Heal up guys. Healers, heal outside your party. still outside your party, so we have faster RD. Alright, alright, again, the strat is tanks will drop, and then in 3 seconds, the DPS will drop, okay? Don't defensive yet,
Matin si Prap.
try to survive as much as you can,
Ah.
okay? Gonna call it, tanks will drop in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, tanks drop now, all tanks, all tanks, all tanks.
Stacking ako kay Head.
Wait DPS, drop tank, DPS will drop in 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go,
Tara,
go
go.
to your tank, go to your tank.
Ikot
go to
ulit.
your tank.
Ikot sa 3, 3, 3. Nasa 3, nasa 3.
Hindi tayo ah.
Defensive stop, defensive stop. We're fighting around the moonstone. We're fighting around the moonstone. I want to fight them out. Okay, quite working, quite working. Go fight, go fight.
Oh, napap kami dalawa. Wala na kayong healer. Sinain yata ni Prap yung halos lahat ng kalaban.
Marami din. Ano tayo?
Okay, balik tayo, balik tayo.
Zombie.
Still up at pin 1. You'll be able to still fight some more. Still fight some more. Still fight some more. Go, go, go. Fight them out. Fight them out. Go, go.
Magkakasama tayong 4.
Ah.
Are, regroup.
Regroup 10, regroup 10.
Strat
Ah.
will be
Ino cherishes us all.
that we can do, right? So let's make sure that we don't get caught out in that section of money, right? Make sure you don't use your guardian yes. And around 7 minutes, I mean 6 or 5 minutes, you're gonna keep on fighting them. Right, respond fast and heal fast. Respond fast and heal fast. Respond fast and heal fast. Yes, I can do it. Respond fast and heal fast. Oh, heal up.
You'll see right below us, I have a group of staff users ready to attack us as soon as we come down.
Yeah, that's the problem that's been going on. Okay.
Maybe just get our tanks to go down, kill them first.
Alright, let's do that. Okay, tanks, try to kill all the
Diretso daw baba agad.
right below. Let's include the melee DPS.
Antay lang ako siguro ng mga 2
Go
seconds.
now, go.
Para
Ano?
hindi ko maano.
Only just directly below, don't fly up. You're gonna get hit.
Tara kay Prap.
Directly below, we're fighting.
Dito Prap sa baba ng ano, 10.
Below. Defensive up. We're going in.
Ay, sorry.
Release that shit.
Sakit ng ano,
Tumaan.
spell blade.
Okay, if you are dead, we are getting in the crucial fight now, so just fight up and use your cooldown. Let's go fight and use our cooldown, except guardians, okay? Fight and use your
Kaya nga eh.
Fight and use your cooldown. Fight and use your cooldown.
Hindi tumatalab yung shield ko.
Make sure to be ready to summon.
Pray to Ino that you do not lose your way in the dark.
Now we're gonna use their cooldowns, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're zombieing,
Zombie.
and upset their cooldown. So just jump and fight now.
Tara.
And fight, it's okay, 6 minutes.
Late call yun ah.
Jump and
Sayang.
fight, jump and fight.
Uy, ikaw lang sa Jade.
Go,
Ay.
go. Nice. Don't use
Okay, mag-
your big cooldowns.
Ano na atas?
We're gonna do it in exactly 4 minutes. Exactly 4 minutes.
Kaya
Alright,
pinapa.
For our next
sigilan
fight,
natin
I'll
sila.
try to get a summon gate down.
not yet. Let's push it to the limit. So let's increase.
Dikit, sama-sama muna tayo 10, tapos tsaka tayo sabay-sabay bumaba.
Yeah, it's not a free minute.
Pray to Ino that you do not lose your way in the dark.
I'd probably go with like 5 to 6 because it looks like these guys aren't going to go down.
Okay, we are fast. This is our last and final push, okay? This is our winning push. So get ready with the stones. And all the healers heal up. Fast now, fast. Scratch time, boys. Scratch time. This is our Guardian remedy push. What we're doing is we're going straight to the DPS. The DPS on the right below, okay? If you're a tank and a melee, you go straight to their backlines. But we're gonna clear out all our DPS. We're gonna clear out this fucking staff right below us, okay? Get ready to defensive. Get ready to defensive now. Defensive now before we jump. Defensive now before we jump. Okay, we're going in. We're going in 10 seconds. Okay, last 10 seconds. 10,
Stop,
9,
stop, stop.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Defensive up, and we're fighting them. Let's go.
Baba, ito baba, Frap.
In 3, 2,
Sa baba sa atin.
Go, go, go. Fight
Ulo!
now. Guardians up, and Devo's up. Guardians up, and Devo's up. Remedy up. Fighting here.
May summon, di ba? Magsusummon. Habol ako, habol.
Saman.
We need a cap.
Meron pa, meron pa? QT.
Go at the redstone and fight within the area. Fight within the area, boys. Fight within the area. If you're still alive, just fight with your party. Fight with your party. I'm calling Shockwave.
Party pin 1. Na, saan kayo?
Waiting ako. Pwede pa ako dito.
Go back and fight within the area, boys. Within the area. It's our only chance.
4 minutes.
This is our only chance, boys. This is our only chance. If you're a healer, if you're a tank, try to make your party survive. We're trying our best. You're gonna get
Pray to Einar that you do
We've
not
got
lose
someone
your
get up.
way in the dark.
all the girl bugs. Use it now. Just come back and zombie them.
Sinira yung ano.
Target their DPS.
First ako.
Sabay tayo.
Continue to fight. Continue to fucking fight, boys.
TP tayo sabay, Jid.
Oh, we're getting fucking fight. Let's
May 56%.
Permitted a blessed rain.
TP na ako, ah.
Nagila ako sa side natin.
go
Three,
guys. Resurrect
three.
straight time. I'm calling it in 5 seconds.
TP na ako sa ano.
3, 2, 1.
Gate.
TP at the summon stone.
TP na ako?
TP na. Naglagay ako ng healing circle sa labas ng ano.
Fucking fight and do your best. Come back immediately and just fucking fight there.
Major yung iiwan nila dun sa ano.
Naabot ng ano.
Fight them out till your last breath. Fight
Ano sa tingin nyo? Pangit yung ano, pwesto ng gate?
Find what you seek.
Hindi. Ang hirap kasi dun sa ano natin, kung ilalayo nila yung gate, lipad na naman tayo. Ito, tatakbo lang tayo eh. Tayo na ba problema pag lumilipad?
May bubble pa naman, oh. Ay,
focusing up on the summon gate.
hindi ako makakaano.
Find me.
Siguro mga 3 meters lang kaya akong lakarin.
Some of them will at the very fuck them up. Fight them
Ano, burst agad ako.
We die.
Ano, gate pa rin ba tayo o dun tayo sa ano? Waypoint. Sa 10.
Until our very last fucking
Try natin mag-10.
fucking go.
Tingin ako dito ah.
Standing up. Die with your brothers. Fucking
Eh, 10, sabay-sabay tayo galing 10.
Dito rin yung iba sa 10.
At least 1 or 2, bro. Fuck them up. Let's go. Fuck
Uy.
them up. Go.
Tara, bar color. Kill kita.
Tara.
Saan ka, Makoy?
Dito ba?
Dikit sa akin, bro.
Dito ako sa tabi ni Q.
Fight a 1 minute of hell.
Healing circle ako, bro. Atin to. Uy, dito ka, bro. Wala good, bro.
Eh,
Lomot na si Jin.
Let's fucking go.
we tried. Okay rin naman yung call eh.
God has
Hype knife,
permitted
oh.
a blessed rain.
Kaya talo ba?
Go down and die with your brothers, boys. What the fuck? What the fuck? Bro? We die together. Bro, what the fuck? Let's fight them. Don't let them
Try.
fight this the grim, boys. No. Let's go. Griff fucking showing up for his boys right here. My guy, fucking Rush, Antonelli, go fuck them up. Find
Sabay
a
ba ka?
guild if you have to. Fucking fight their grandmas if you have to, boys. If that more
Uy,
seconds,
never mind.
drag them to hell.
Hell duty. Ning layat amo.